today's video we are looking at sports poster in Photoshop. Without wasting my time, let's jump straight to the video. So as you can see, first of all, go to files, select new, pick the postcard preset, which is 4x6. It's set to inches. Give it a name, maintain the default settings right over here, and click on create. So after that, what you guys have to do next is to import the background on top of your artboard. After importing the background on top of your artboard, guys, the next thing you have to do is to picture or a football field picture on top of your artboard. After that, create a layer mask. After that, create a layer mask for it. Erase, make sure you pick the brush to erase some parts. Make sure you import your players. Make sure you import your players. After importing your players, guys, what I did for this guys right over here, I created a layer mask for them, the two of them, and I set their opacity to 56%. After that, what I did was to create a gradient map for the entire work. So guys, this is the gradient map that I created for the work. So these are the colors, it is red and dark black. First thing that I did was to create a new layer, and I went for my brush tool. That reminds me, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let this channel get 11,000 subscribers. After that, I'll release all these brushes for you guys for free. That I went for the environment brush, and I chose this brush and start painting. Set the color to red, start painting on top of the poster right over here. So after that, the next thing that I did was to create rectangle shapes. So after creating the rectangle shapes, as you can see, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I changed their colors to gradient color. So with the white it's the same thing, but with the red ones I changed their colors to gradient color. And as you can see right over here, so when you come to basic, right now my color is set to white, so when you come to basic and click on this one right over here, it will change to white. So that is what I did for the rectangle bars right over there. So after that, what I did next was to import the Ajax logo and blend it with the background. So I set the blending mode to soft light. After setting the blending mode to soft light, the next thing that I created was a color balance. So as you can see, with the color balance, after creating it, I clicked it to the Adam's photo, and guys, as you can see, the cyan is set to 48, the magenta is set to 3, and the 0 is set to 0. So that is it. That is what I did for the players. So after that, I created a screenshot of the entire work right over here. So to create a screenshot for the entire work, you guys have to press Control Alt Shift E to create a screenshot right over here. After that, I sent it to the camera raw filters to do some basic adjustments right over there. So after that, I added my text, and after adding my text, which is Adams and my channel's name, Instant Designs. After that, what I did was to add the Ajax and added this logo, LDVC logo, which is the club that they play. After that, I changed the color to white right over here. After changing the color to white, what I did next was to import a Nike logo, and I changed the effects to color overlay, and the color overlay I set it to white as well. After that, I went to the adjustment panel, select brightness / contrast, and I gave my width 5 I decrease the brightness to 5, and guys, boom, that is the end of today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like all my videos, and let this channel get 11,000 subscribers. After that, I'll release all my brands.